So this is basically a review of everything you should already know about X and Y intercept. But anyway, we're going to be doing it anyway. So let's start about writing this equation. You might be asking, what are you writing, mister? Well, this is a Y intercept form. So the name of this one is going to be called Y int. Oh my God, I can't even write. Y intercept form. Okay, that's the type of equation that it's called y equals mx plus b. And there's two things that you need to understand whenever you see this type of equation. Your m is always going to be your slope, and your b is always going to be your y-intercept. Okay, so today all we're doing is we're working on understanding what y-intercept and what x-intercept means. So let's say they give you a graph, right? I know it's not the prettiest graph, but we have something like this. And then I have this connected to this, and this is going to be connected right here. There's going to be a point right here, and a point right here, and there's going to be a line going through it all right here. Perfect line, really pretty. All right, we have a line going all across, right? Okay, so we're talking about x and y intercept. I'm going to label my y-axis. It's going to be right here. And I'm going to color it and shade it one color. This is my y-axis right here. Now, you're going to have something that's called your x-axis. And it's going to be this guy right here. I'm just trying to color coordinate so you guys can see what I'm doing here. X-axis, right? So the line that's going vertically, this little line right here, is going to be your x-axis. This line right here that's going horizontally is going to be your, oh no, I said it wrong. So this vertical line again is going to be your y-axis. And the line that I have currently selected is going to be your x-axis. That's all you got to know. Now, whenever I ask you for your y-intercept, I'm basically asking you to find a point in which your line, this is your line. I'm going to put your line. Your line is touching the y-axis, which is going to be right there. That's where your line is touching the y-axis. That is called your y-intercept. Okay, I'm going to color it a different color. Let's do red. That's your y-intercept. Now, if you guessed, your x-intercept is going to be where your line is touching the x-axis. So right here, this one's x-intercept. And I'm going to color it. Let's use this color. Right? You see your y-intercept, your y-axis, your x-axis, and your x-intercept. That's basically all you really have to know for the entire assignment. So make sure you keep that in mind. I don't know how else to help you guys. This is basically a lot of stuff that we went over. Also, x-intercept, they're gonna call it 0 as well. Okay, just keep that in mind. Those two go hand by hand. So if they ask you for your 0, it's just remember that's gonna be your x-intercept. So with all that being said, this is basically the end of the video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.